Hello YouTube, how are you all doing? So today I'll be showing you the lighting setup I run on my ER6N, as a lot of people have been asking me what light setup I use as I do a lot of rides on the highway, and a lot of you have seen these auxiliary lamps and all connected to my bike in my Instagram post. So I thought, why not show you my lighting setup and explain the different kinds of lighting setups and stock bulbs you can have in your bike. So to go ahead, let me just show you. I use LED bulbs. So my bike uses the H11 specification. So it's one bulb for the low beam, one bulb for the high beam. Different bikes have different bulb sizes. H4, which has two filaments, high low single bulb. There is H7. There are various bulbs, so you might want to check what bulb your bike uses. So mine are LEDs. Both the bulbs are LEDs, but these are quite high intensity LEDs. All the technical specifications of my lights are down there in the description below with the links from where you can buy them. So these bulbs come with an integrated fan as well. It's not properly lit up here, so you can't see it, for cooling purposes, and these are much brighter than the xenon counterparts. And then I have these aux beam LED auxiliary lamps, which also have a backlighting function, which is controlled with this wireless remote. So these are really cool. Let me just show them to you. So on off is via a remote, so you can change colors and you can have different modes like flash, strobe, fade and smooth. So these are the background lightings, and apart from that, these also serve as very powerful auxiliary lamps. So let me just turn on the bike and show the whole setup to you from up front once. So I don't know if you can see jack shit. It's completely pitch dark outside my house. But yes, if you want to see the lights, it has to be dark. So now we are on the stock bulb, as in the stock the bulb which is inside the headlight of the bike, on low beam. I'll be switching over to high beam and all in a minute. Let's just get out of this residential area. So the reason I'm shooting this vlog at night is, and in my area galliyon mein, because these lights are meant strictly for highway use. Even on highway you have to be careful because सामने वाले को अंधा कर देते हैं ना. Low beam is fine, but the high beam and the pilot lamps are just simply too bright. So one, why did I switch to white lights? Generally there is a lot of myth surrounding, white lights are not useful on the highway, blah blah blah, but me, having personally used them, I can comment that these lights work wonders on the highway, as long as one, they are supposed to be bright. If you have weak white lights, it's a recipe for disaster. As opposite se jab orange light aati, the yellow light aati, so these lights get completely dimmed out and you can't see the road and you're fucked basically. The only problem I face is just during sunrise and just during sunset, when there is very low sunlight, the road is kinda not visible. I don't know, it's because of why it happens, I don't know, but yeah, that's there. But if one more thing, if you live in a foggy area, like where there is too much fog or too much pollution or whatever, these lights won't work. Kitne bhi bright रहने दो, you need orange or yellow lights in such cases, because these lights are not gonna work. So let me just show you the, so this is high beam and this is with the pilot lamps on. So pura total shadi khana bana de rahe bhai. So I've installed a very nice switch here, a toggle switch here, which helps me in turning on and turning off the lights. So if you all are curious, no, I am not invading a jungle. This is the area behind my house which connects to pillar number 2 and 4. So because I was heading for some work that side, I thought why not shoot this vlog today for you guys. So yep, and now my whole setup is LEDs. It's not xenon, it's not halogen. The stock bulbs that come, the yellow bulbs, are halogen. My setup is LED. So the stock bulbs, I got them from a friend in Mumbai. The link to purchase is down there in the description below. You can get it from him. And the auxiliary lamps are from Auxbeam, which is a Chinese company. They've also provided me a LED bar before. So link to buy that is also in the description. You can check it out. So anyways, what is the advantage of using LED over a xenon or a halogen? Now, one, they are low power consuming. Two, क्या है भाई अंधा करते क्या? One, the low power consuming. Two, they provide more illumination than xenon or halogen. Three, they have a longer shelf life. Now exactly how many hours and blah blah blah, I'll just put that up on the screen for comparison. I don't like memorizing the facts and figures, but yep, LED is better than xenon and halogen in almost every way. I used to use xenons on my CBR 250R before, and I even used it in my old car, but I found a lot of problems with that because that basically draws current through a ballast. It does consume less current than your standard halogens sometimes, but the ballast, the relay and all that which is used creates unnecessary problems in wiring and all. These on the other hand are direct plug and play. They don't need a module or a ballast or whatever. So this is the Musi River drug dealer. Nope. Yeah. So these lights are very useful on the highway. Like, you know, I had my previous setup was halogens and the stock lamps and auxiliary lamps white. You can use that setup as well if you are riding in, you know, colder areas where there's fog, and also you can have a combo of both white lights and orange lights. So that's gonna help you out a lot. You just get onto this road, and the reason I don't like using these lights in traffic because unnecessary it disrupts traffic and, you know, creates a lot of problems for the oncoming people. So why give them all that taklif? So yeah, let's just turn off the pilot lamps and the now this is on low beam, this is high beam, and this is pilot lamps on. So video cannot really do exactly much justice, but yeah, I hope you guys are getting an idea of so as to how bright these lights are. Very very bright. So yep, next time you're confused on what to buy, I say if you live in colder areas, have a combination of halogen and LEDs, or if you have an all LED setup, that is perfect. Highways पे बहुत मज़ा आता. And the real fun is when you give dipper. ऐसा जब dipper मारते हैं, people just give you side and all. Especially it's very useful because truck drivers at night on the highways, they're very sleepy. So you need this kind of light to, you know, kind of get them alert, because when you're overtaking and all, you don't want a truck running over you, buddy. Oh, guides. So yeah, as usual, the links to buy the bulbs and all are down there in the description below. A big shout out to my friend in Mumbai and Auxbeam as well for sending me these lights, and hope you guys didn't get bored. I'll be making one more video soon. I know a lot of you have been telling me, you know, I'm not doing long rides and all. Been caught up with some work buddies, I've told you in my old video as well, and so I'll be doing some long rides and all soon. Bike's all prepped up now, so inshallah soon. So I'll be making a video on my touring setup as well. So thanks for watching. We're getting onto the main road. Time to turn off the lights and bye. असली मज़ा कब आता मालूम, जब सामने से कोई ऑडी BMW वाला LED डाल लेके आता खट्टे पूरा मान लेते, अपन खाली हाई बीम डाल के पायलट लैम्प डालते, अंधा हो जाना उन्हें सामने से. मेरे सामने छोटा बच्चा कैसा बैठा हुआ है मालूम, बाइक पे हाईलाइट बैठा हुआ है। वीडियो ले रहा हूँ, तेरे को भेजता हूँ वीडियो। लव यू।